Hello everyone, today we have arrived at our customer's factory. Now, I will introduce the two 6-meter EPS block machines we produced for our customer. These machines are customized in color according to the customer's requirements, each with its unique design. Additionally, each machine is equipped with a small silo for temporarily storing EPS granules, ensuring a smooth production process. Our machines utilize advanced PLC and touch screen technology, enabling computer control and fully automatic cycle operation. This not only enhances operational convenience but also significantly improves production efficiency. Our machines feature low energy consumption and fast molding performance, producing products with very low moisture content and excellent quality. If you are interested in our machines, please feel free to contact us.